Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video lesson, we will learn how we can multiply two matrices in C. For this program, I am using two 3 by 3 matrices. Of course, you can multiply 2 by 2 into 3 by 3 or 3 by 3 into 2 by 2 as per your requirement. Let's try to understand this process of matrix multiplication using an image. You can see we have two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. To multiply two matrices, we have to multiply row 1 of matrix A, that is 1, 2, 3, with the first column of matrix B, that is 2, 4 and 7, and then we will add the multiplication, that is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 7 to form the first element of result matrix, that is 31. Then we will multiply and add the first row of matrix A, that is 1, 2, 3, with the second column of matrix B, that is 3, 5 and 8. So the expression will be 1 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 8 to form the second element, that is 37. After that, we will multiply and add the first row of matrix A, that is 1, 2, 3, with the third column of matrix B, that is 4, 5 and 9. So the expression will be 1 into 4 plus 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9 to form the third element of result matrix, that is 43. In this way, we will repeat the same procedure for second row of matrix A and then for third row of matrix A, that is row 2 of matrix A with first column of matrix B, row 2 of matrix A with the second column of matrix B, and then row 2 of matrix A with the third column of matrix B. We will repeat the same procedure for row 3 of matrix A with all the 3 columns of matrix B. I think you understand this concept very well. Now it's time to do it practically. As you can see, code blocks ID is open. Click on the file menu and then click on new empty file. Save the program as, I am saving this program on desktop, mat.add.c. Let's start coding. Hash include stdio.h int main opening brace int first matrix A 3 by 3 equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. Okay, semicolon. Second matrix int B subscript 3 equal to, in curly bracket, okay, let's arrange this properly. Second matrix elements 2, 3, 4, 4 comma 5 comma 6 and 7 comma 8 comma 9. Now one more matrix where we will store the result of two matrices int c 3 by 3. Okay, semicolon. For loop we need three variables int I comma j comma k. First of all, we are going to print the elements of matrix A. So printf backslash n matrix A backslash n semicolon. Okay, for I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus opening brace. Now for j equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus opening brace. Printf %5d, this is field width, comma a subscript I subscript j semicolon. Printf backslash n semicolon. Now matrix B, I am going to copy these lines, Control C, Control V, replace A with B and here B. That's all. Now we are going to write a loop to multiply two matrices. Here we need a third variable which controls rows in columns and columns in row. Okay, let's see. So for I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus opening brace. For j equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus opening brace. C I subscript j equal to 0. Now for k equal to 0, k less than 3, k plus plus opening brace. C subscript I subscript j equal to C subscript I subscript j plus A subscript subscript k into B subscript k subscript j semicolon. Now printing the result, so printf backslash n matrix multiplication backslash n for I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. For j equal to 0, j less than 3, j plus plus opening brace. Printf %5d comma c subscript I subscript j semicolon and printf \n semicolon. Return 0 semicolon. Save the program again. Compile the program by selecting build arrow compile current file. Now run the program using build arrow run. Build arrow run. And you can see the output on the screen. So that's all for this video lesson. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch the upcoming interesting video lessons. If you have any queries regarding this video lesson, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.